Good morning students. Welcome to the science class. In today's class, we will learn more about dissolving experiment. Alright students, let's try a simple experiment where we will learn more about dissolving and non-dissolving substances. And these are the ingredients you will need for this experiment. Here we have sand, kidney beans, coffee, oil, lemon juice and 5 glasses of water. And students, before begin this experiment, let me tell you first what dissolving is. Dissolving means to get completely mixed into a solution. Let's start the experiment. Alright, so let's start with sand first, whether it gets dissolved into the water or not. Here I have added sand into the water and stir it for about 30 seconds. And we will check the results as we complete the dissolving process. After this, let's try with kidney beans. Here I am taking kidney beans and going to add into the water. Again stir it for about 30 seconds and we will observe the results. Now it is done. Next we have coffee. Take a spoonful of coffee and mix into the water and we will check the results as we complete the dissolving process. After coffee we have oil. Let's add the oil into the water and observe whether it gets dissolved into the water or not. And again stir it for about 30 seconds and we will check the results after the complete process. Now, lastly we have lemon juice. Let's try with lemon now, whether lemon gets dissolved into the water or not. And now students, it's time to check the results, whether all the ingredients have got dissolved or not. Let's check sand first. So, students, can you see the sand? Yes, we can see the sand. It has not disappeared into the water. That means sand is not dissolved into the water. And what about our kidney beans? Let's check. Again, it can be clearly seen that kidney beans are there. It has not dissolved into the water. Now, after that, what we mixed? It was coffee. Let's check coffee. Yes, we are unable to see the coffee. That means coffee has got dissolved into the water completely. No coffee at all. Now, after coffee, we took oil. Here students see, can you see the oil? Yes, oil has not mixed into the water. In fact, it is floating on the top of the glass. So, it has not dissolved into the water. And after oil, our last ingredient was lemon. Let's check. And now, tell me students, can you see the lemon into the water? No, because lemon has dissolving nature. Lemon has dissolved completely into the water. Finally, we have concluded that lemon and coffee have got dissolved into the water, whereas oil, kidney beans and sand have not dissolved into the water. I hope today's experiment is clear to everybody that what ingredients got dissolved into the water and what did not. And now students, let's talk about an interesting fact. Can you tell me why we tried all the ingredients into the water? Water is called the universal solvent because it is capable of dissolving more substances than any other liquid. Now, do try this experiment at your home under your parents' vigilance. Thank you.